I'm on this cleaning journey, but I am trying to be nice to myself, kind to myself. So I was like, I'm only gonna do cleaning for half an hour a day. And that is pretty much what I'm doing. On weekdays, I do half an hour per day. On the weekend, I'll do a couple more hours, and that's it. But the thing that I did not expect was that the cleaning has taken over my mind 24/7. I think about the cleanliness of my house all the time, even though the time that I'm spending on cleaning the house is only half an hour per day. I don't know what to do. So I was like, okay, maybe I just need to make it more fun. Let me start decorating because I love to decorate. So I created this gallery wall on my living room wall, and then I created the gallery wall for my dining room. And the dining room one is the one that I'm going to show you today because it's quick, it's easy, it's simple. This one back here took me a while to do, but I'm so happy with it. Maybe I'll show you this one in my next video. So the decorating definitely helped in making me feel a little bit more motivated. I felt like I was having a little bit more fun, but still, now it's like the house is on my mind 24/7. And I don't know what to do. I don't know what's wrong with my brain. I think I just get an idea set in my head, and then I just can't help myself. And I just keep thinking and thinking and thinking about it until that project is finished. And even if I'm not spending my time on it, I am spending my mind on it. So I don't know what to do at this point. I'm getting a little sick of it. And I did not expect this at all because I was like, I'm only spending a little bit of time cleaning. It should be easy, but apparently not. But anyways, let me show you how I created this gallery wall. It is super quick, it's easy, and it's super cheap. So I got these 12 by 18 frames from Walmart. They are front-loading frames, which means you open them in the front. You push outward on the sides and then push up from the back, and that allows you to take the glass piece out. And then I flipped the insert paper to give it more of a vintage vibe. Now, all I did next was these books from Barnes& Noble. They are about different types of art, and I just found pictures that I liked, and I ripped out the paper and placed it within the frame in any way that I liked. I actually liked the ripped paper effect and parts of the writing from the book. It just gave it more of a vintage look. But if you like seamless edges, you can definitely use a blade to kind of break apart the book. And here is another one, which looks a little bit more seamless, but you will always see the seam from the pages. This was super quick. I just found any artwork that I liked from the book and I put them in the frames. Because the frames are 18 inches wide, I made sure to put the screws at 9 inches, which would be in the center. And then I measured either 3 or 4 inches down the frame for the next screw hole. After I put everything up, it motivated me to clean the whole dining room, and here is the final look. I'm loving it. And here is the view from the kitchen where I do the dishes, and it makes me happy. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.